Hey YouTube, we're going to do this song, Santa Barbara Fireflies by Pink Skies. That's kind of the riff. Plays through the whole song. I'll play the chords. That's kind of like the chords, but we're just playing parts of those. So we're just taking like this A shape at the 8th fret, slide it up to the 10th. I do it with my index finger. And then we do this double stop hammer on. That kind of gives us the minor sound there. So we're just hammering on to 12 on the D string while barring the other strings. Gotta curl your finger so you don't mute the strings below it. Then we go to this stair step shape, like an F shape, and then we go back to the A shapes. Got a street cleaner going back. Play the riff up here. Out of the, like that home bass box, or the BB box they call it. It's an extension box off your Pentatonic. So that means you're playing out of the C minor pentatonic. So basically we're playing E flat with the A shape, and we're going up to F. That's the first move. And we do the hammer on 10 to 12. Then we do the hammer on the slide down. Then we play this F shape, which is actually a B flat chord. And then we go F to E flat again. And then playing that out of the C minor pentatonic at the D string. Okay, hopefully that helps. All right, bye-bye.